Thursday's theme is Blessings of the Wise Builder. One of my favorite things to do is play with Legos.
Looks like fun. I'll join you.
Yeah, why don't we play together?
Hey, guess what?
What?
Today's the last day.
You're right. We should jump on the verse that we're supposed to be memorizing for Bible time. That way, they'll be able to get their final points tonight.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Tonight, we'll tally all the points that all the people get, and the people with the most points will get amazing Lego prizes.
No way!
Right over here, and like some of the ones right over here, and even some in these boxes.
Can I have one?
Oh, you can't have one, Coco, unless you get the most points. So you'll have to memorize the verse and see how we do.
Well, then let's get memorizing.
All right, let's memorize the verse for Thursday night. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Matthew 7:24. Whosoever heareth these sayings of mine and doeth them, I will liken him unto a wise man.
Okay, now let's take out a few more words.
Matthew 7:24. Whosoever heareth these sayings of mine and doeth them, I will liken him unto a wise man. Okay, let's say it again, but this time take out a few words.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Matthew 7:24. Whosoever heareth these sayings of mine and doeth them, I will liken him unto a wise man.
Now I feel like that was the best time that we've done all the way around. Let's take out a few more words and then we'll say it again.
Matthew 7:24. Whosoever heareth these sayings of mine and doeth them, I will liken him unto a wise man.
Now I feel like that was the best time that we've done all the way around. Let's take out a few more words and then we'll say it again.
Matthew 7:24. Whosoever heareth these sayings of mine and doeth them, I will liken him unto a wise man. Fantastic! Now, here's a pro tip. You can watch this video as many times as you need. I would watch it at least one more time.
I think we should too. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get ready to watch it again, and you guys go ahead and start the video, and we'll be right back.